This little short tutorial will be about block level elements. So we're going to type some block level element tags in here, and then we'll be able to see what they look like in the preview. So probably the one you're going to use the most is the paragraph tag, which is bracket P bracket, and I'll type some stuff in here. Okay, so there's my paragraph, and then I'm going to close it off with a closing tag. And then I'm going to do the next type that's also very commonly used, which is a header tag, which is another block element. It means whatever text you put it around, it affects that whole block of text. You can't individualize it like you can a bold tag or an italic tag. It affects the entire block. So I'm going to do a header, and we'll do header 3 this time, and we'll make a heading of hot days. Okay, and then we're going to close that tag with the closing tag. And then the next one is the block quote, which is basically that is a group of text that as a paragraph is indented all at once, so that it's used for block quotes. If you remember your English class or your research papers, if you quote someone more than 1 or 2 sentences, you want to put it in a block quote, which is a paragraph that's indented. So well, let's do that. The tag for that is block, just like it sounds, block quote. And we're just going to cheat here a little bit and go up and steal some text up here and paste it in there. And then we'll close off that block quote in the same way we close the other ones off. And then so those are kind of the 3 main ones. There's another one that's called the div content, div tag, but we'll talk about that later. For now, these are the main ones that I want you to know. So we've got the paragraph tag, header tag, block quote tag. So let's see how that looks. So there you go. The first one is the paragraph tag, and if you remember, paragraph tags always enter a blank space in between. That's why you have it's almost like it's double space there. There's a blank line underneath. It is a very hot day outside, and before hot days. And then hot days is in a heading style. And headers also create an extra line of empty, of no text after them. So that's why we have another space. And then the next one is the block quote. As you can see, it is indented. The entire section of text is indented. So those are the basic block level elements. There are a few others, and we'll cover that in the next little video.